So first of all, syntax is what? Syntax to create an object, class name first, then any object name, XYZ, just I have written obj is equal to new keyword compulsory, then class name again, and parenthesis, close. This is the constructor. Okay, this is what constructor. Now, so now what happened? Once object is created, we can set the name of this name. Set how obj dot set name. So set name, we can keep a name here. How string. Okay, string was. This is the value provided for. So if I want to keep the name, if I want to set name means I can set a method used to set the name for this variable. Okay, this variable which is written inside of your person, this is a variable because it is private. So private means this name can't be accessed. It can be accessed only inside of this person class only, inside of this person class only. But because you have declared private, you have declared private, so but by set and get method, by get method, by this get method, you can get the value of that method, and by this set method you can update, alter the value. Okay, so I have provided this value. So now this will be, if I want to get, how can I get? By this method get name. This method will be called by this object created. Okay, so obj dot get name. Here we need to pass string name. What? Name. Okay, now see here what happened. This is why it is giving error. Double quotation marks. String always in Java, not single quotation marks. Okay, this is the double quotation marks, always string. So now the code we have written well. So this is the main class. So main class terminated. This is the method, main method, main class. This is the main class person main. Now if you run this code, so first of all, let us see, we need to save this file as, okay, first run. To run this, run. Go Alter Shift plus F10, otherwise simply run. So let us see what happened here. So if any error, the code, the code is to be executed, and if it is, there is an error that is to be displayed. Okay, so a little bit of code we have written mistake. So set name to set the value for, to set the value, set name method used. So this string passed here, then after, so that uh, this value, whenever it is passed to this name, it is stored in this variable. Now you want to get, you want to get that name. So how we will use here, display system dot out dot println. Okay, println method. Now inside of this object dot get name. Okay, so now what happened here? See, So this is the right code. Here what happened? System.out.println. So by this object, we will call this method. This method, getName method, will be called with the help of this object created for this person class. Now, whenever this method call, it will collect the name value stored in this variable. Okay, that this variable name is set with this set name method. Okay, so the by this set name method, the value string value passed as Vasu. Now by this method, the name of value of this variable set to Vasu. Now that Vasu will be collected by this get name method, that is called with the object. Set name method also called with the object created. So now if we run this code, what happened? Let us see. This is what run. So that moment it is to be, if it is to be run properly, and if it is not, we need to check back. So now we have written the code. So the code is not working. So you need to create a project first. Go to new file, project. So under that project, see, keep a name for this project, any project name. Okay, project name untitled, keep any project, whatever. Okay, so abc is a project name. So location, C project Java, Intellij create get language Java. Okay, for Intellij it supports Kotlin, Groovy, Scala, Java. So Java. So this IDE, that is what I told you, that this is the Intellij Java that is what community edition, students enterprises. Okay. So here this edition supports Kotlin, Groovy, Scala. So Java. Okay. Now, now you create. Okay. Then after your project is created. Okay. Now your project is opened. Your project is opened. So now go here, source. Okay. There. So click on this. Okay. Right click. So here we need to paste the total code. Okay. Now, so you once your project is created, okay, project. So click on this source. Okay, source. Right click here. So go to new and Java class. Okay. So class, you keep a name. So class name, as I told you, that the class name must be equal to your code. Class is what your main class. This is the main class, person main. Okay. You do this person. Okay, person main. Like as I told you, that right click, new Java class. So name of this, okay, class name person, as it is your C. There is no any mistake, as it is your class name. Your class name is what? This is your class name, person main. This is the main class, person main. Okay. So now you do this, right click, new Java class, class name person name. Okay. Now okay, enter. So this is the Intellij. Okay.